Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at 5 low-maintenance farm animals that are not only easy to raise, but also make you money. Perfect for beginners, those working a day job, or running a side hustle farm. Let's jump right in. 1. Ducks. Ducks are hardy, disease-resistant, and don't need fancy housing. They lay more consistently than chickens, and duck eggs sell at higher prices. Bonus: they love eating bugs, weeds, and even kitchen waste. 2. Rabbits. They're quiet, clean, and reproduce fast. With minimal space and feed, you can raise rabbits for meat or sell them as pets or breeders. They're also one of the best livestock options for small backyards. 3. Quail, tiny birds, huge profits. Quail starts laying eggs at just 6 to 8 weeks old. They need little space and eat less than chickens. Quail eggs are a hit in health and gourmet markets. Number 4. Goats, especially breeds like Black Bengal or Nigerian Dwarf. They're tough, need basic shelter, and eat bushes, leaves, and even weeds. You can make money from meat, milk, or even goat manure as compost. 5. Bees. Yes, bees. You don't feed them, they feed themselves. With a few hives, you can harvest honey and wax and even rent your bees out for pollination. Perfect for passive income with minimal daily work. The secret to success? Start small, learn the basics, and automate feeding and cleaning as much as possible. Let me know in the comments, which one of these animals would you try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep farming smart.